But it wasn't moving that much. Oh, are you doing a rower?
They're like, they see their mother on the other side. They're like, hey, I want my mother.
No, they're like, hey, help me, I'm trapped, I'm trapped.
I'm trapped, I want to get out.
I didn't see my mommy, I want the milk. Yeah, did you know Johnny was drinking water?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Johnny was. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Come here, Julia, come here. Here's a safe environment. Here's a safe environment. Here's a safe environment. It's okay, here's a safe environment. It's okay, you got two of your brothers and sisters here. It's okay. It's fine. Don't stand on your brother. We just stay in the middle. We stay in the middle. Johnny, when we come in the environment. There's another one. There's two more. There's two more environments and they're comfortable.